Happy Valentine's Day. I've got my red hoodie on. I'm all ready. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a gift basket for my parents, everything that I'm gonna put in it, and then I'm also gonna show you the footage of me surprising them with it. The reason that I decided to do this was because my mom was over one day and I asked her if she was excited for Valentine's Day, and she said that no, definitely not. It would probably be just the same as any other day. Not on my watch, I don't think so. So your girl had to make sure that they had a bomb-ass Valentine's Day, so I went out, got all this stuff. I'll show you everything that I'm gonna put in the basket, how I make up the basket, and then their reaction, so make sure you stay tuned. Here we have the gift basket goodies. It's majority candies and chocolates. I tried to pick my parents' favorite kinds that I know that they like. I also made them some homemade soap there, threw in a few bath bombs, a chalkboard, a matching keychain, some red wine, some chocolate cakes, some tea mugs, and red rose tea, an assortment of red and pink packaged or colored candies. And I put it in a mason jar because I gave them these really cool things. You can turn your mason jar into an on-the-go mug, as well as some rose-scented candles and Doritos. So we're gonna fit all of this into this little basket here. And then this is the tissue paper that I'm gonna put on the bottom, the wrap that goes around it. I'm gonna use some of this, the red one. All right, so let's get this packaged up. I find the easiest way to do this is to place the plastic wrap down first and then put your gift basket on top of it to build it, so that way you're not moving the gift basket onto the wrap once you've already put it all together. As you'll see in this clip that I sped up, it took me a few times to organize all of the items to make sure everything fit. Making themed gift baskets is literally one of my favorite things to do in life, so I will use any occasion as an excuse to go all out for a gift basket, which is part of the reason why I love Valentine's Day. You don't need to have a significant other or partner to celebrate this day. Take time and share your love with your family and friends, the OGs who have been there for you from day one. You might also notice that everything that I've included here is either red, pink, or white. This was not a coincidence, because when your girl goes for a theme, she goes full out. And I just find it is more visually appealing when you choose a few colors and try and build your gift basket around that. I almost forgot the most important part. So here is the real, so these are all like some nice little treats and candies and candles and that kind of stuff. But this is a gift certificate to the spa that my parents have never been to, so they get to go together. And so we're gonna put that right here. A little trick that I use for this part is to put more of the plastic wrap towards the front, so that way when you're pulling it together, there aren't short pieces that follow to the front. Sometimes this can leave the back somewhat open, however, people are seeing it from the front, so aesthetically I think that that's a little bit more important. To tie it off, I didn't do anything too crazy. I just used the ribbon and tied it in a little bow. If you want it to look more fancy, just add some more ribbon. Bow would be really nice. Hello and welcome to day 2. Today is our surprise day with our Valentine's Day gift basket. So I am just in my car. I have my special passenger all ready to go. I will keep you updated when we get there. Fun fact, I already got a speeding ticket today, so probably shouldn't be trying to record while I drive, but let's see how this goes. So what I think is going to happen is that my mom is going to be there and then my dad is not going to be there, so we might get to do a surprise ×2, once with Arlene and then after with Colum. We'll see how it goes. We're almost there. OMG, what?
That's awesome. Come on.
Alright.
Very nice.
Yay.
Thank you.
Alright, happy Valentine's Day, Arlene. Yay.
Holy Hannah. How are you, crazy girl? We have a vase. I don't think we have a vase.
we go, surprise part 2 with Column.
It's open. Hello. How are you?
Surprise! Happy Valentine's Day!
Oh, shit.
Yay!
Were you surprised?
Yes. Yeah. Is that for me?
That's for you too.
Oh, wow.
Yes, happy Valentine's Day.
Nice.
Yay. Alright, so now we can finally open the gift basket. Woohoo! The lovely couple on Valentine's Day.
So we're getting
So it seems to be a success. Both parties were very surprised. Now we can move on to the exciting part of opening up the gift basket. Go ahead.
Holy. Oh my gosh.
Did you make this yourself, Samantha?
Yes. Nice. Yes.
Hi. Chocolate. Holy
Yeah, I feel that,
wow. We need
man. Give them this much.
you.
It's really nice.
That's amazing.
Syrup chips.
What is this?
Oh, Arlene has found the real present within the gift basket. What is that?
The gourmet package. Thermal experience a gourmet lunch for 2. Wow, where's that?
Oh my god, is that the Nordic Spa? What?
Oh, what? Holy.
I know, that's actually a big one.
Thank you.
So you both get to go to the Nordic and you get a gourmet lunch as well as access to all of the saunas and pools there.
Oh my god.
And then that's because you used to have a chalkboard at the old place. We don't have a chalkboard, so I got you a new one.
Nice. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Amanda.
I know you like those.
I love those.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Skittles and a little bear.
And now we have matching keychains.
Awesome. Candles, kisses, and candy. Oh, and rocks.
They're all red.
Oh my gosh.
You do?
Oh, and did you
And tea.
what comes in it? What type of tea is that?
Rose. And it's red. Oh my gosh. You do all kinds of stuff in yours.
Well, thank you so much.
That one's
So
actually.
much, babe.
You're welcome.
Wow, I shouldn't have did that. Way too much. Way too much. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you.
Holy cow. Wow. Thank you. Wow.
Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're new. Love you guys.